A magnitude 6.6 earthquake has occurred 132 miles or 213 kilometers from Bengkulu, Indonesia, 11 minutes ago. This earthquake was located near latitude 4.90 south, longitude 100.69 east, and has a depth of 6.21 miles, or 10.00 kilometers. A new earthquake has been detected. A magnitude 2.1 earthquake has occurred 16 miles or 26 kilometers from Bodrai, Switzerland, 8 minutes ago. This earthquake was located near latitude 46.82 north, longitude 6.57 east, and has a depth of 0.00 miles, or 0.00 kilometers.